Hello friends, welcome to my famous, well-known, creative and unique educational channel. To watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python using Flask. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning since now, today's video is really innovative and interesting. It is all about registration and login using face recognition. First of all, we will go through the execution part first and then we will go to the program code. So I will execute the program. Flask. Yes, my face is recognized. Now what I will do, I will register first. Yes, registration. Now I will give my login and mail ID. @gmail.com. Yes, registration is successful. Now we will log in. Yes, login successful. So successful login. So I successfully done with registration and login using machine learning using Python using Flask. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python. Then I will be back more creative videos on React.js, Node.js, Stack, full stack, if possible, operating system and Node.js. Thanks for watching.